Now, how do we make that like super magical rainbow effect? Well, what we do is we add an HSV adjust into our render pipeline. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this bad boy after the blur, and in the hue offset, you are gonna go up by 1 just to see. Okay, looks like things are changing color. Essentially, the further you go up in this hue offset, the more variation you're gonna see. So you can switch this, you know, up to 5. Oh yeah, and look at that. Now you're getting some really like magical rainbow trail goodness. You can go higher. However, I'm just gonna like do a quick like epilepsy warning because it can get a lot more frenetic. But some people are into that. Like, you know, suddenly we're at an EDM rave and you're doing a light show for your friends. Not for everyone, but certainly evocative for some folks. I'm gonna bring that down though, because I'm like a much more kind of like flowy, slow, gentle media maker. I don't know what I just said, but it feels true in this moment. Okay, so what's next? Well, we've created this cool rainbow effect. It's very exciting. How do we create the illusion of it being comped into our hands? So what I'm going to do is I am going to add a video device in. Great. We don't see anything. Love it. It's on the leap motion. Okay. I hope this works. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad this worked. It's been like a little sassy. I don't know why on this computer. Okay, look, it's my face. Look, we have magic above me. We're gonna like put this together so that it is all working out. Okay, so we have our video device in. We have the magical effect here on this comp 1 that doesn't have the outline. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add a null to my video device in, not notch. Thank you for that, but that's not what I want. And I'm actually gonna add another null here so that we can like pull this. Oh. Yeah, pull this apart and have it a little bit closer. Great, so here's my fate. I'm gonna close this friend, okay. Right, we're gonna add these things together. We can just put this together with a composite just to see what it looks like. It's probably gonna be a little wonky. My face will probably be all warbled. Let's assess. Definitely switch this to a screen. Super exciting, okay. Groovy, groovy, groovy. Let's assess actually. Okay. You know, it's there. It's definitely not the right size, but that's something that we can fix, thankfully. Let's see. One of the common problems that I have seen that is super easy to fix, but like really funny, is when it's like reversed. Like, look at this. Clearly we're going in the wrong direction. Okay. I'm gonna add a null over here. Oh no. Go back inside, sorry. I'm gonna add a null here, and we're just gonna view this so that we can like, okay, so that it's a little bit easier. Okay, so definitely what needs to happen is I need to add a flip, because right now my camera, it doesn't happen always. I don't know why, honestly, but we're gonna flip on X. Okay, now we're at least moving in the right direction. Goals, great. So what I can kind of tell already is that I feel like the scale of the virtual hands are a little small. My hands are much bigger, clearly. So what we should do is we should like scoot on over here and let us just like scale it up. Okay, enormous, really just, it's big. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can bring it down. Oh, I'm gonna keep yes. Okay. Where's my other hand? All right, we're getting a little bit closer. Essentially, this whole process on Illusion is a link between the position of the camera right now, where it is fixed, where the leap motion is, and where I am. It definitely does break if the camera moves. What I'm doing right now is I'm calibrating the camera to my current setup. Honestly, this isn't that bad for like very quickly doing it. It's definitely kind of like creating the effect. Let's assess again. Yeah, I mean, I do feel like it could be a little bit larger. There we go. What happens now, it went, so because I scaled it up, it went a little bit farther. Okay. I mean, that's like pretty good on this hand. This one's like a little like unhappy. But like, you know, this is not bad. I could probably stretch it just like a smidge more. Did it? Okay. 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 That was a little bit too much. I'm gonna undo that. I mean, that's all right. For some reason, it's like doesn't want to match my left hand as nicely, right? There's always like a give and take. I think I made it a little too big. But you catch my drift. I have a little bit of OCD, and so I could stay messing around and like editing this for a while in order to get like the right calibration. I'm gonna just go ahead and keep this for now because it at least is like pretty close to my hands. Says that, and then like very like minutely scales it down, even though they said that they were gonna stop. It's fine, we're good, okay. I'm happier about that. Groovy, very exciting.